Keep these specific spare parts on hand so a remote tiny house owner can restore a septic system quickly and safely. For a tiny house septic system, focus on high failure points and items that let you operate or temporarily bypass electric components. Keep a spare float switch or two matched to your alarm and pump model so you can replace a failed sensor without guessing compatibility. Carry basic pump seals or a replacement diaphragm kit and a small set of metric and standard hand tools so you can access the pump, swap seals, and reassemble watertight connections using proper torque and thread sealant. Include gaskets sized for your riser lids and a tube of non-hardening sewage-grade sealant so lids seal and odors and inflow are controlled. Measure lid diameter now and pack backups. Pack spare fuses and 2 fresh alarm batteries stored in a waterproof container so you can immediately restore alarm function and avoid unnoticed overflows. A compact hand-operated pump provides temporary dewatering and allows safe access to the chamber when power or the electric pump fails. Choose one rated for solids or one with a replaceable hose. Add a laminated or waterproofed instruction manual that lists part numbers, step-by-step swap procedures, safe pump isolation and lockout, and local waste handling rules, so an owner or neighbor can follow clear instructions without internet access. Common mistakes include carrying mismatched floats or pumps that do not fit the existing control box, which wastes time and can damage wiring, so always note the model and take a clear photo of the nameplate and wiring before you buy. Spares. Another issue is assuming a hand pump will handle solid waste, which can clog or fail. Choose a pump rated for the system or plan to use it only for clear liquid transfer and have protective gloves and a bin ready. People often skip practicing the swap or reading the manual and then panic during a failure. Rehearse the basic steps at least once in a dry run so you know where tools and parts live and can perform the procedure calmly. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work related to tiny house systems and emergency repairs. We also host a discussion community on the site where owners and technicians share part numbers, troubleshooting tips, and repair experiences so remote owners can learn practical field fixes from peers.